Hi friends, Dr. Nancy Trimbley here, putting the power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. I can see you out there, and you inspire me. I wrote a book, Stealth Health, How to Take Back Your Power and Unravel the Mystery of You, because I see you getting frustrated, and it breaks my heart, and so I wrote this book to help you. I know you've done everything right. I know you've made the appointments. You've waited weeks to get to the appointment. You filled out all the paperwork. You told somebody everything that was going on. And what did you get? You got handed a white slip of paper. Or you were told, nobody can help you. Or you've been diagnosed with this. Go home and figure out how to live with it. What if that's not true? What if help is out there? It's just, it's been shielded from you. You can't see it because there's a whole system working against you. And it has been for your whole life. And it's all around you. It's so much all around you, you can't even see it. Well, I'm going to show you how you can see the forces at work against you. I'm going to help you to become your best expert. You're going to know about your body more than your medical professionals. In the book Stealth Health, I go through the 3 powerful questions. And that's just in chapter 2. And when we go through this video series, I'm going to help you to start asking better questions, which are going to open up a whole vista of new opportunities for you and your healing. Because you're what's most important. You need to put you on top of the priority list. There are things in your life that you're missing out on right now. The memories you could be making, the joy you could be experiencing, the things you want to be doing right now, you can't because you're so distracted by this problem that you're dealing with. Take this journey with me, the journey to unravel the mystery of you. If the content of these videos interest you and you're ready to start taking positive steps and finding your allies, go to drnancy.health, download the free chapter you'll find there. Let's get started on Mission You.